Here's a new app called FlickReels. Enjoy short drama. So this is an app for short videos which you can enjoy. Trending dramas anytime, anywhere. Welcome to the world of skits at FlickReels. Here you can easily enjoy captivating streaming skits anytime, anywhere. Whether you are traveling on the road or dining out, you will experience a whole new level of audiovisual delight. So here is the app, and yeah, you can just see here, FlickReels. You can allow it, confirm, and this is how you see it. You can see a lot. I don't know whether this is kind of like Chinese app or Japanese app, and then yeah, you can just see here. So and then you can just do some rewards, just as in drama short or real short, and then that's your profile, and then just what it is. If you log in, you can have another things, but then yeah, monthly subscription is like almost $40. So that's like, yeah, quite a lot. So yeah, these apps are super expensive, much more expensive than Netflix, but usually nobody subscribes to a monthly. People just watching series in a week or so, and then that's it. But try out this app. Leave me your suggestions. Is it good or bad? Is it better than drama short or not? What do you think in the comments below?